Annyeong, thank you for checking and clicking this video. Hope you like and please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. Now guys, I'm gonna show you on how to write a Korean character using the consonants and the vowels. Let's get started. There are two ways of making Korean characters using the vowels and the consonants as the building blocks. Ngayon guys, kuha kayo ng paper and pencil or any pen and then mag-drawing kayo ng square. Divide it into 4. Okay, ready na kayo? Para siyang ganito guys. Okay, this is the building blocks. Okay, again, there are two ways of making a Korean character using the vowels and the consonants. First one, guys, the initial consonant and the vowel. Example, the word na, which means me or I. This one. Okay, this is the initial. Ibig sabihin ng initial guys, yung pinakauna. Initial consonant is 1N plus vowel. So yan, na. That is the first one. How about the second one? Let's have the word non, which means you. Okay. This one, the initial consonant, the vowel, plus the final consonant. Again, kapag initial, yung pinakauna. Pag final, ito yung pinaka-last. Okay? So, basa dyan, non. Paano naman guys, yung ganito? Okay guys, naalala nyo ba kung ano yung pronunciation ng character nito? It is indicated in the single consonants. Remember? Okay, kapag ito nasa unahan at kasunod niya is vowel, automatic guys, wala tong sound. It has no sound. Ang unang pagbigkas doon, kung ano yung kasunod niya. So, ang base dyan, an. Paano naman to? Anyong, di ba? That is the word anyong. Initial consonant plus vowel plus final consonant. Ito guys, nagkaroon na siya ng sound and nasa final consonant siya. So, that is the word anyong, which means hi, hello. Okay. So, okay. Okay. This is the word in Korean. An, nyong, ha, se, yo. Okay, kung i-romanize natin yan, guys, ito, wala tong sound. This is the initial consonant. Pero dahil initial siya, wala tong sound. Automatic, katabi niya, vowels. This is A. This is N. N. Yo. Plus, ito dahil nasa final consonant siya, meron siyang sound which is NG. Remember? H. A. S. Double vowel which is E. And then, initial again. Initial consonant. Nasa unahan siya. And then, yo. 안녕하세요. To sum up, we have two ways on how to write a Korean character. First, initial consonant plus vowel. Second, initial consonant plus vowel plus final consonant. kapag yung initial consonant natin is this one, circle, ibig sabihin nun guys, wala siyang sound. At ibig sabihin lang din nun, ang katabi niya is vowel. Lagi yun guys. Kaya kapag ito laging nasa unahan, it means it has no sound at ang katabi niya ay vowel. So like this, an. Pero kapag itong consonant, this character is nasa hulihan or considered as a final, there is a sound like ng in Tagalog. Okay, so annyeong. And we have the word 안녕하세요. Right? Ang ibig sabihin lang nito, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, hi, hello. This is a formal way on how to say hi, on how to say hello. Okay, I hope you learned from it guys, and see you next week.